Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about type 5, the miscellaneous problems. A bit different from the previous problems, whatever we saw. But here we would be considering assuming, and then we would be doing it. Let's start with the first problem. So we have integral x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 d of x square. In the previous problems, if you would have observed, like they would have given us dx. And here, instead of x, we have a different thing. So that's what the difference from previous problem and this problem. So now what I would be doing here is I would be assuming let x square is equal to t. In that case, what happens? My entire problem would be getting changed now. So here, this x power 4 is there. So let me just when I'm assuming x square is equal to t, then in that case, here we have x power 4 means it is x square the whole square. Okay. And then we have x square, which is going to be t. So now here it's going to be t square. So this becomes t square because x square is equal to t. In that case, it becomes t square plus t plus 1. We have 1 here. So that I would be writing as it is 1 and then dt. Now we will go ahead and then integrate it. Let me assume it as I. Now when you are integrating, this time you are integrating with respect to t. Then obviously same. It would be like t cube divided by 3 plus t square divided by 2 plus t plus c. But the problem is not over here. We need to do the changes. Now, what is our t? T is nothing but x square whole cube by 3 and then plus x square whole square by 2 plus x square plus c. Now, it's going to be equal to x to the power 6 by 3 plus x to the power 4 by 2 plus x square plus c. That's it. It got over. Just because we considered x square is equal to t, we were able to integrate it or else we won't be. Now here in the next problem, so see here we have integrate sine e to the power x is equal sine of not sine power, it is sine of e to the power x is equal to d of e to the power x. Let me consider it as I is equal to. Now here my assumption would be obviously in the place of x whatever we have, this is gonna be my t. So here e to the power x is equal to t. Then in that case my I would be getting changed now in form of t. I would be having sine t dt. Now we would be able to integrate it. So because we know the formula for sine and cos, sine t when I integrate, I would be getting minus cos t plus c. But the problem is not over after integration. I need to replace t back to e to the power x plus c. That's it. It got over. Now, this procedure you would have understood. These are the two types of problems. And then we would be looking into a different picture of problem now. So just have a look at this particular problem. We have f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 2 by x cube. This has been given. And they gave me one extra information. Why are they giving this? I will tell you. There's a reason behind it. F of 1 is equal to 0 and they are asking me to find out the function. Generally, in an indefinite integral, we would not be getting the exact function of that particular gradient when we integrate it. We integrate a gradient and the function what we get under indefinite integral will not be the exact function. But if they give me something like this, I would be able to find out that exact function. That means I'm finding out the value of my integral constant with the help of f of 1. Integral constant which we have c, for that we are finding out the value with the help of this information. Let's start doing this particular problem. Now we have f of x. Okay. We need to find out f of x. So we have f dash of x. When I integrate my f dash of x dx, what I would be getting? Obviously, I would be getting my function f of x. So let's integrate this. We have 3x square minus 2x raised to the power minus 3. I'm writing it directly so that I can integrate it directly. So in this case, I would be getting 3 times x cube by 3. Since we did a lot of problems, I'm writing it directly now. And then we have minus 2 into minus 3. Just a minute, I'm sorry. We have minus 2, and then we would be having x raised to the power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. Now we have 3 gets cancelled. Then we have x cube, and then here minus 2 we have, and x raised to the power of minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c. Even minus 2 gets cancelled, so that means I would be having plus here. I would be having x cube plus 1 by x squared plus c. So this is what I got as my f of x. Now, the information what is given, they gave me that f of 1 is equal to 0. Now you substitute 1 here in the place of x. That means 1 cube plus 1 square, 1 by 1 square plus c is equal to 0. That means c is equal to c plus 2 is equal to 0, which implies that c is equal to minus 2. Now I found out my c value. Now what is your function? F of x is equal to x cube plus 1 by x squared minus 2. So this is going to be my function f of x. We have found out. So with this, the miscellaneous problem gets over. So in the next video, we will go with the next topic under integration. Thank you.